Morning. Today it's balmy 18 degrees out. It was 50 over the weekend. Today's Wednesday. It's 18 degrees. We're supposed to get like 8 inches of snow tonight. So Dahmer's over here right now putting the blower on the skid steer. We got to get it loaded up and get it down to the ice rink where that's going to spend the rest of the winter. We haven't had much snow, so we're trying to battle with that. Got the other one going. Got the Mack project almost complete. Only thing I don't got is the gates. Got the dual 5 inches. If you can see over there to the other side, set up for duals. Got it all painted. Only thing I don't got is a gate. Right now I didn't paint the gate, but I'm gonna just throw the gate on, I think, because I gotta imagine we're gonna have to haul snow this weekend. So we got to get plows put on all the trucks today. Got a really busy day going. Got the international running yesterday, so hopefully first time out goes with no hiccups. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing loaded and get about our day. We just got down to the ice rink. Right here, we're gonna unload Unchain. You can see it out there, and drop the machine and get it parked and continue on with the other stuff we got to try to get done today. You know, not one day can ever just go right. Everything was working fine. Now nothing's working today. It's just the way that it's gonna be. Snow's coming tomorrow and everything doesn't want to start fucking working right. So we got to get this in, get my truck shut off, because apparently we're gonna have to deal with this now. Get the truck in and find out why there's absolutely no power going to anything on that thing. So we're gonna go ahead and mess around with that, and hopefully it's something simple. All right, so we should be fixed. Me and Kyle, with a lot of help from Bill Davis, got it traced down. There's wires coming out of the harness that basically go to the fuse box, and there's a fuse inside and the wiring harness for the plow. And we found a little splice in there that was broke, and we got power. So with any luck, we'll put it on and it'll work. Alright, so we got that done. Of course, the damn battery went dead as soon as we started doing it. Everything worked out, so thanks again to Bill Davis for his help, helping us troubleshoot that a little bit. If you don't shop there, get your stuff there. Bill's instrumental in our operation going every day, night, whatever. Kyle's dropped truck off at his house. We're here now. We're gonna pick him up, and we're gonna run up. We can get that tailgate put on that Mack, and today's a 3 o'clock day. I was hoping to be out of there at noon to go hunting, and as always, nothing goes correct. So we're gonna go up, we're gonna try to get that gate put on that Mack, and we gotta put Dahmer's plow on. The last one, God forbid, he drove around and did a delivery with a plow on, so he's got one left that he's got to get finished up, and then hopefully we can get him on and get out of there today. All right, just got the gate on the Mack. You can see the boys over there. Jeff's throwing tools all around, but we got it done. So we're gonna go ahead and park this thing, and hopefully that concludes our day of stuff we have to get done for when the snow comes tonight. So we'll get some shots of plowing, and hopefully everything goes good without a hitch. So thank you for watching. Tell your friends about the videos, and give us a like.